Bugarski, and I want to talk with you about folic acid, also this vitamin called vitamin B. So folic acid is a synthetic form of vitamin B type of B vitamin, which means that it is water-soluble vitamin and that is found in watery compartments of food and distributed into water-filled compartments of the body. Like other water-soluble vitamin, folic acid is easily absorbed in the bloodstream and easily excreted if its concentration level rises too high. I want to talk about this vitamin because when I was pregnant with my first child and when I was trying to conceive my first child, I was suggested that it's important to take folic acid through the whole pregnancy, and I have 2 kids at this moment, so I just want to share with you guys, for those who may be planning on having a family or in the future gonna think about it, that it's necessary for you to take this vitamin. Research in the US and Canada shows that people don't take enough of vitamin B in their diet, so they decided, the manufacturers decided that they're gonna add folic acid in refined grain products such as white flour, bread, cereals, protein bars, and white rice. Here in the slide you can see a structure of folic acid. The folic acid is used in the body for digestion. It helps the digestion, brain and nerve function. Also helps liver, heart, and other organ health, DNA creation and repair, proper blood cell function, healthy hair, skin, and nails. So talking about the pregnancy, when the female is pregnant, the folic acid is recommended for intake to prevent natural tube defects and some major birth defects for the baby's brain and spine. Also, folic acid is taken to prevent cancer and reduce homocysteine levels. So the daily norm for intake of folic acid is about 400 microgram for adults and about 600 micrograms for females during their pregnancy. Folic acid deficiency. Folic acid deficiency, it's called anemia, and it's decrease in the blood cells due to a lack of folate. Folate is needed for the red blood cells to form and grow. Your body doesn't store folate in a large amount, so you need to eat plenty of folate-rich food to maintain normal levels of the vitamin. The folate deficiency anemia and the red cells are abnormally large. Such cells called macrocytes. Because of that, this anemia also called megaloblastic anemia. Symptoms may also include pale skin, decreased appetite, being irritable, lack of energy, and tiring, easy diarrhea, smooth and tender tongue. The toxic level for the folic acid is pretty high. You're supposed to take up to 5 milligrams daily to be safe, but if you take more than that, it might cause abnormal cramps, diarrhea, rash, sleep disorders, irritability, confusion, upset stomach, and behavioral changes. There are also concerns that taking too much folic acid for a long period of time may cause serious side effects. Some research suggests that taking folic acid doses of 800 micrograms to 1.2 milligrams daily might increase the risk of heart attack in people who have heart problems. Other research suggests that taking these high doses might also increase the risk of cancer such as lung and prostate cancer. So if, for example, you're pregnant and you're taking multivitamins and you were suggested to take the supplements of folic acid, just double check the amount that include already in a multivitamin, and then maybe decrease the amount of supplement that you take in on the side of that. The good sources of the folate in the food are the livers, edamame, lentils, beans, asparagus, okra, spinach, artichokes, collard greens, turnip greens, and broccoli. The new interesting research that I found was that actually taking the folic acid might increase some cancers, heart disease, malaria, anemia, and seizure disorder. So if you taking folic acid plus vitamin B6, it might increase the risk of heart attack in people who has a history of heart disease. Also, early research suggests that taking 800 micrograms to 1 gram of folic acid daily might increase the risk of cancer. Until more is known, people with history of cancer should avoid taking high doses of folic acid. Also, anemia caused by vitamin B12 deficiency. Taking folic acid with that deficiency might mask anemia caused by vitamin 12 deficiency and delay appropriate treatment. Seizure disorder, taking folic acid and supplement might increase intensive seizures in some people, and seizure disorders, particularly in high doses.